Klarna financing is a popular payment method that allows consumers to purchase products or services and pay for them at a later time. It is a type of buy now pay later service that has become increasingly popular among online shoppers. To start using Klarna financing, you need to create an account on the Klarna website or through a merchant that offers Klarna as a payment option. Once you have created an account, you can browse through the various merchants that offer Klarna financing and select the products or services you want to purchase. When you check out, you will be given the option to pay with Klarna. You will then be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Klarna will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. If you are approved, you will be given the option to pay for your purchase in installments over a set period of time, typically 30 days. You can also choose to pay the full amount upfront if you prefer. One of the key benefits of Klarna financing is that it does not charge interest on purchases, as long as you pay on time. However, if you miss a payment, you may be charged a late fee. It is also important to note that Klarna financing is not a credit card, and it does not affect your credit score. However, if you miss multiple payments, it may negatively impact your credit score. To use Klarna financing effectively, it is essential to make timely payments and only purchase what you can afford to pay back. You should also review the terms and conditions of the financing agreement carefully before making a purchase. In summary, Klarna financing is a convenient and flexible payment method that allows consumers to purchase products or services and pay for them at a later time. By understanding how Klarna financing works and using it responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of buy now pay later shopping while avoiding potential pitfalls. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Klarna financing include making timely payments, only purchasing what you can afford to pay back, and reviewing the terms and conditions of the financing agreement carefully. By following these best practices, you can use Klarna financing to your advantage and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Overall, Klarna financing is a popular payment method that offers consumers flexibility and convenience when making purchases online. By understanding the key concepts and using it responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of buy now pay later shopping while avoiding potential pitfalls.